Hello, my name is Adriana Shakibeg, and today is going to be my Feed America Riverside San Bernardino logic model. So Feeding America Riverside San Bernardino logic model starts with their inputs, which would be the state health department, stakeholders, outside partners. Their activities would be community involvement, working with shelters, lunch programs for underfunded schools, partnering with other charities, education on nutritious food awareness campaigns. Outputs: completed activities to get the community involved, completed activities in working with the shelters, completed activities in lunch programs in underfunded schools, completed activities in partnering with other charities, completed activities in educating the Inland Empire on nutritious foods, which is Riverside and San Bernardino, completed activities in awareness of those suffering from the lack of food and nutritious food. Then we're going to slide over here to the outcomes in the model. And the outcomes, we're going to have short term, intermediate, and long term. For the short term, we're going to have increased volunteers, increased a more aggressive outreach efforts to make contact to those who need food, reduce the number of non-nutritious food and drink options in vending machines within schools. For intermediate, we have provide healthier alternative snacks, increasing the manpower and food supplies at shelters and soup kitchens. Long term, increase education for healthier lifestyles, increasing the numbers of feeding those who are hungry from previous years, ensure that all children in schools have lunch, reduce the prevalence of those in the Inland Empire who are hungry. These are all important to the food pantry that help all those in Inland Empire. Thank you and have a great day.